Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix the PS4 error NP-34954-5. Verify the PSNL server status. PS4 error code NP-34958-9. Check server status. The error NP-34954-5 happens the most time when console is unable to connect the network of PSN. And restart the Wi-Fi router at the times of recording. Your Wi-Fi router can help address the connectivity issues leading to the error code NP-34954-5. Unplug your router for being brief period, ideally around 15 seconds before plugging it back in. And configure PS4 DNS settings. Many users have tried to configure the settings of PS, and that has helped them impressively solving the issue. Please follow the steps down below to know how you can do that. Clear the browser cache and cookies. And clear your browser cache and cookies can help resolve any issues related to the browser compatibility. Follow the steps for various browsers. Google settings, privacy, security, clear browsing data, clear the cookies and other site data, and cached image files, and click clear data, and contact the support team of the PlayStation support by. Now you should be able to fix the error code NP-34545 and on your device. However, it will still seeing the error code, and then you will have to contact the support team of the PlayStation and talk to them regarding the issue. And thanks for watching us.